Experiencing unresponsive up-down D-pad inputs on your PlayStation Portal? This is a known hardware defect affecting a percentage of units due to faulty microswitches within the D-pad mechanism. First, confirm the issue by testing the D-pad in the device settings. If the up or down directions consistently fail to register, it's likely the manufacturing flaw. While firmware updates don't address this hardware problem, Sony has acknowledged the issue and offered extended repair programs through authorized service centers. Check Sony's support website using your device's serial number to determine eligibility for a free repair or replacement. Avoid using liquids when cleaning. Compressed air is recommended. Recalibrating via the PS app or resetting the device usually won't fix this particular hardware problem. You have two main repair paths for the PlayStation Portal D-pad issue: official Sony repair or DIY. Sony's official repair involves sending the Portal to a service center for D-pad assembly replacement, typically taking 2 to 4 weeks. While this maintains your warranty, turnaround times can be lengthy. Alternatively, DIY repairs are possible, with user-created guides on platforms like YouTube and iFixit showing how to disassemble the Portal and replace faulty microswitches. However, this voids your warranty and carries the risk of further damage if not done carefully. A class action lawsuit in 2024 led to settlements for affected users, so it's worth investigating potential reimbursements. Looking ahead, rumors suggest future PlayStation Portal models may incorporate redesigned D-pads with more reliable Hall effect sensors, addressing the current hardware flaw. Here's an animated view of the D-pad assembly components that may be replaced in repairs. For now, weigh the pros and cons of DIY versus official repair based on your comfort level and the device's warranty status.